customer wanted to test BCV5 against their existing process, unload and load. This existing process copies the DDL backup from the source and then creates the target database and its dependent objects. Following this, the source data is copied to the target environment using the unload and load utilities. The goal for this prospect was to see if there was a more efficient and easier way to copy DB2 data for this setup. They worked with UBS Heiner to conduct a proof of concept for BCV5 and looked at whether it would be a suitable replacement for their existing setup. The result of the test was that BCV5 requires less effort and requires a lot less CPU to run. Here we see the benchmark numbers for the site's existing project. We see the job names along the left and the elapsed time and CPU time in the subsequent columns. So looking at the bottom line, we see that the existing process runs in an elapsed time of about 102,000 seconds and consumes over 10,000 CPU seconds. Now that's a large expenditure of time with an elapsed in CPU consumption. It factors to about 28 hours of elapsed time and almost 3 hours of CPU time. Doing the same thing using BCV5 reduces the elapsed time and the CPU time quite significantly. The BCV5 process requires 6 jobs, no matter how many objects are being copied, and the copy work is performed concurrently, all managed by BCV5. We see the elapsed time reduced to about 10,000 seconds, with CPU consumption reduced to just over 900 seconds. That is less than 3 hours elapsed time and about 15 minutes of CPU time. Here are the benchmark numbers showing the CPU usage for the existing processes and for the equivalent BCV5 processes. The net result is an impressive 90% reduction in elapsed time and 91% reduction in CPU time.